Ringing Door. It's basically a story about, let's just dive into the story. Dive in! Please, someone get me water. Water. Hey, can you go?
I found some water. I'll need you. No more water.
I got a question.
What?
Can you please go get water for me?
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
I'm leaving.
Okay. Bye. Guys, please save me.
Okay. Hello.
Who's there?
Pizza man, you ordered some pizza.
I did not order any pizza. Please go away.
Ugh. Dang it, I made my heart pizza. Ugh. Knock.
Who's there?
I'm a clown. I'm here to show you my show.
Well, I didn't exactly order a clown to show me a show, so get out of the way.
Maybe it's the wrong house. Woohoo! Hello, is anyone home?
Yes, what do you need?
I'm the famous baseball player.
Well, I didn't order any baseball player to come and meet face to face, so, would you mind, please going away?
Okay. Hello, sister. I'm back. I got a few bottles.
I won't open the door anymore. There's just too much people coming that I don't even want to come. I'm not opening the door, never.
But, sister, it's me.